Today marks a moment that will be forever engraved in your heart, as the message from your angel, the celestial messenger, shines with unparalleled majesty. Prepare yourself for an exciting and wonderful journey, one that will elevate you to heights of growth and success previously unimaginable, as if the entire cosmos were conspiring to turn your dreams into reality, illuminating your path with the brilliance of the stars, showing you that you are loved and deserve all the care of the universe. Are you ready to accept this with an open heart? Then say yes and let the magic happen under the starry mantle of the night sky, where each celestial sparkle emits a unique intensity and the moon faithfully witnesses the spectacle of emotions. The message from your angel echoes with majesty comparable to the vastness of the universe. This revelation is as profound as the infinity of the cosmos. Someone you never imagined, hidden in the folds of fate, longs to share the rest of the journey by your side. But that's not all. This person wishes to dive into the experience of your life, enveloping you with all the love you have always desired. This is a commitment that transcends time, an eternal promise shining like an unquenchable fire. The passion this person feels for you cannot be contained by mere words. It is a fire that consumes the heart and illuminates the darkest corners. The path to eternal love lies before you, with a fork of immeasurable importance. Deciding to enter this relationship and build this thrilling romantic plot can fill the voids in your existence. It is like finding the last piece to complete the puzzle and beginning the game of life alongside the right person, uniting destinies in a timeless way. This choice, undoubtedly, is one of the most important you will face along your earthly journey. It requires not only deep reflection, but also a dive into the depths of your soul, as if deciphering the most primordial enigmas of the universe. The one who offers to share life with you has not only decided to walk by your side, but also wishes to be your light, illuminating the path of this journey called life, tracing a path marked by the light of love and cooperation. The duality of having two roads before you, both representing situations of profound importance and capable of provoking significant changes in your life, can be seen as a challenge of cosmic proportions. The feeling of being at the middle of a fork, with both possibilities wishing to share eternity by your side, can cause a storm of emotions in your heart, where anxiety and restlessness intertwine like turbulent waves threatening to flood your soul. However, in this emotional storm, it is important to remember that you do not have absolute control over another person's feelings, and they are not your responsibility. Do not force yourself to love someone just because that person desires you, for true love cannot be forced. It is a spontaneous gift that springs from the deepest part of being. At the crossroads of life, where destiny divides and horizons expand, the most important thing is to discern with wisdom and courage which path will lead you to your true and complete happiness. In this critical moment, amidst the whirlwind of emotions and expectations, it is time to dive deeply into the essence of your feelings, free from fears and apprehensions, and make decisions that correspond to your most authentic essence. You have the power of choice, an inalienable freedom that allows you to trace the path of your romantic destiny. However, remember that love goes beyond a simple emotional experience. It is a journey of conscious commitment that shapes not only your own destiny, but also that of those around you. Therefore, each decision must be made with full awareness and responsibility, as its consequences will echo through time. When making your choice, let yourself be guided by the symphony of your heart and the rhythm that resonates with your soul. Choose someone whose presence makes your heart dance with joy, someone you see in your future, not just in fleeting moments, but in the building of a future full of shared dreams and achievements. Beyond physical attraction, which is important, it should not be the only criterion. Also consider emotional harmony and shared values, for how can two walk together unless they agree? This is a critical moment that deserves your most careful attention. Trust, solid as the foundation of a robust building, is a vital element in any long-term relationship. Therefore, choose someone you can trust fully, someone who not only warms your heart but is also worthy of your deepest trust, someone who not only loves you but is willing to dedicate their life to you. For it is in the careful and conscious choice of a partner that lies the key to building a full and lasting loving future, where the foundations of affection and trust sustain a house of shared happiness. Understand that the love someone feels for you, no matter how bright and genuine it may be, is not by itself an indicator that this person is the right choice for your destiny. It is not just about accepting someone as a companion, but discerning carefully who deserves to occupy such a significant place in your life. The foundations of a long-term relationship go beyond the waves of love that cross the heart. They are built on a solid foundation of harmony of goals, visions of the future, and shared life values. These are the essential elements that give strength and depth to this new connection. Your ideal partner is not just someone who fills the voids in your life, but someone who understands and respects your deepest aspirations. They are the one who not only walks beside you, but also propels you to achieve the highest goals of self-discovery and personal growth. This partner, instead of limiting your ambitions, nurtures and strengthens them, making you stronger and helping you to flourish and become the best version of yourself. Though this crossroads may at first seem like a storm of emotions capable of shaking even the firmest hearts, it is necessary to open up to the possibility of a frank and sincere conversation with the person who holds such a significant place in your life. It is time to remove the social masks, abandon pretenses, and dive into the depths of the truth of what you feel. Be honest with yourself and with the other, for honesty is the foundation upon which mutual trust is built, essential for any lasting and meaningful relationship. Even if the result of this conversation does not meet your deepest expectations, remember that clarity and transparency are the foundations of the most authentic and profound connections. During this dialogue, allow yourself to flow with the words, without clinging to preconceived expectations or selfish desires. This is a moment to listen with an open heart, perceiving not only the words spoken, but also the subtle vibrations of the soul. For deep within your being lies the answer you seek, guided by the gentle whisper of your intuition and the rhythmic pulse of your most primal instinct. Remember that the decision at this crossroads will reverberate through time. Therefore, dive into this process of choice with the wisdom that only time and experience can provide. Let the light of your intuition guide you, illuminating the path to the decision that resonates with the deepest truth of your being. The right choice, made with understanding and clarity of purpose, will bring a partner who not only loves you but also surrounds you with unwavering devotion. It will be someone who does not hesitate to stand by you in difficult times, whose support will be a shield protecting you from the pains of life. In moments of triumph, this companion will be there to share your joy, multiplying it with smiles and warm embraces. Moreover, they will make you feel truly valued and loved, like a precious gem in their heart. This type of partner, whose support is like a luminous beacon, will guide you through the turbulent waters of existence to the safe harbor of your highest dreams and ambitions. Whether in the pursuit of professional success, the achievement of personal goals, or simply the path of self-knowledge, this partner will be by your side, lifting you up when necessary, motivating you when you are discouraged. The legacy of love, cooperation, and achievements that you will build together will transcend time and space. Therefore, choose with a light heart, confident that the right partner is waiting for you at the end of this path of discoveries and authenticity. The ideal partner is not just the one who shares moments of happiness, but also the one who stands by you in moments of vulnerability, when you need to remove the social masks and reveal your true essence. They are the one with whom you can be completely authentic, without fear of rejection or judgment. In the depths of this relationship, you will find a safe harbor where you can anchor your soul, a sacred space where every sigh, every smile, and every tear are accepted with understanding and unconditional love. In this meeting of souls, you will discover that true intimacy is not limited to physical proximity, but is found in the emotional and spiritual connection that transcends the boundaries of time and space. It is a delicate and mutual support, where each other's presence becomes a pillar of strength and inspiration. Trust and unconditional acceptance, where each opens up to the other without restrictions, finding in each other's arms the comfort and security that only true love can provide. Sharing your deepest dreams, your most ardent hopes, and your darkest fears, you will discover that vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but rather a heightened expression of courage and authenticity. It is precisely in these moments, when you allow yourself to be totally transparent, without masks or artifices, that the true essence of your being shines with unparalleled intensity. Through these moments of radical honesty, the foundations of your relationship are laid, transforming it into an impenetrable fortress against life's changes. In these moments of deep connection, you and your partner find yourselves at the epicenter of an intimate dance, where every word, every look, and every touch are filled with meaning and purpose. This is a journey of mutual discovery, where superficial layers are removed to reveal the inner beauty and complexity of each soul. It is in this space of surrender and acceptance that the bonds of love strengthen, intertwining indissolubly and resisting the test of time. Therefore, in this transcendental moment of your life, when everything seems to align in your favor, embrace this choice with all the confidence that resides in your depths. Allow the certainty of your heart to guide you, leading you into the arms of someone who understands your deepest essence and loves you unconditionally. For it is in mutual acceptance, shared vulnerability, and reciprocal trust that the true essence of a lasting and meaningful love resides. May every step you take on this path be permeated with courage and determination, for you deserve a love that transcends the limitations of time and space, an eternal love like the universe itself. Rise with the confidence that by following the call of your heart, you are on the right path. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel their profound echo within you. The universe wishes you the best and will ensure a positive outcome regardless of your choice. Say, I accept my destiny and all that the universe is prepared to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for you. Let's spread positivity and kindness to each other, creating waves of good energy together. Did you know there is a possible image of your soulmate you can see now? It might be someone you already know or someone you haven't yet met. Click the link in the description to get the portrait of your soulmate. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. Stay tuned for the next important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.